This tutorial is geared towards user on the iOS platform and will demonstrate the WalletConnect functionality to trade or swap tokens on Pancakeswap, a leading decentralized exchange. Let's head over to Pancakeswap.finance and select Connect Wallet. We will select the icon for WalletConnect, and we'll select our Trust Wallet. We will now authorize the connection of our wallet to Pancakeswap website. Now you can head back to the Pancakeswap website, where you'll see that your wallet is now connected. You can see the information about your wallet. Now you can select trade, and your wallet is connected, so therefore you'll see the balance of your wallet, and you can buy or swap or trade tokens. We'll disconnect our wallet. Once you're done, you will disconnect your wallet. Let's assume that you prefer to use a laptop or a computer to trade tokens on Pancakeswap. You will go to your on your laptop. You will launch Pancakeswap.finance website, and you will select Connect Wallet. You will now be presented with a QR code on your Trust Wallet on your phone. You will go to Settings and select New Connection. You will scan the QR code, and again you will authorize the connection, and now you should be able to trade tokens on your web browser. Thank you.